Hello everyone. Thank you for joining our Gmeet. We're going to discuss what our product could be. By the way, have you guys already eaten?
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
So let's discuss our project. So first, I want to ask you guys what's your opinion on our product, the hanging wall denim pockets.
wait. I can't understand. 1 second. I translate it.
Me too.
Okay, take your time.
What do you mean by the suspending barrier pants pouch?
Right, isn't the hanging wall in packet like yours? Said to RGC.
Huh? You're right. That's what I meant. Hmm.
Okay, I would say that it's great, stylish, and also helpful.
Same, I agree, but I think we need to make it more useful, especially to students.
I think we need to search everything we need for this project.
I can understand the word used are to give. I don't know it's you are to translator.
You're right. I can understand it either.
I think that the translator is not working properly. I suggest using another app.
Ah, okay. Where can we start it?
I think we need to make sure that it will be our final product. Also, I want to ask you guys, what if we use recycled clothes for less expense?
That's a great idea. It's also an eco-friendly.
I need that. I think we're gonna slay this. Haha.
Since it's already 10 p.m., we have a class tomorrow. We should sleep na. We can meet again to discuss the material needed the other time. Thank you for your time, guys.